Hi there. I've got a Boulevard 109, M109R. There she is. She's about 4 months old, 9,500, 5,500 kilometres, so I did the first service. Anyway, one thing I was going to show you, somebody mentioned on the Boulevard Australia group about what's the best exhaust for them. Depends how loud you want to go. These are the standard pipes. They come with 2 baffles in each one, which quietens it down and creates a bit of back pressure. And what people do is get a hole saw up the centre and drill through the first one and the second one. Now once you do that, you've ruined your pipe. That's it. That's, you know, if you ever get stopped about having a noisy exhaust and you have to fix that, you end up having to get your exhaust welded up and everything. It's not worth the hassle. Anyway, what I did was this. I've drilled the end pipes and used the biggest bit I could. I started off with a small drill and worked my way up. And what this does is, the first baffle's still in use. When it comes to the second baffle and it diverts the gas to the outside, instead of it having to go back through wee holes, it just comes out here. And it gives it a louder, deeper growl. And it's a lot louder than the standard is. It's got a lot of a deeper grunt to it, but it's not overly noisy like some of these exhausts are. Because let's face it, some of them are just out of control. Now just start the bike up. Finger on the trigger. Now that's thick over. So I don't know, switch it off. I don't know if you can hear that or no, but it is a better sounding standard. For me it's loud enough, it sounds great when you're riding it. So yeah, but it's up to yourself, that's just one option. The other thing I did, I changed the oil on the engine, and I got what do you call it, fully synthetic, and the fully synthetic has made a difference with the gear changes. The Boulevard's always been clunky on the gears going up and down, or especially when you go down to second and second to first, and sometimes it misses a gear. And since I put the fully synthetic Penrite 1040 for motorcycles, it's been a big improvement, a huge improvement. The gear changes are so soft, and yeah, definitely well worth it. So if you ever think about doing the oil, try that Penrite 1040 fully synthetic and you won't go wrong. Anyway, that's about it. So happy riding, guys.